So what are web standards? This class is called Designing for Web Standards, so let's take a look at it. Probably a good way to explain it is, as you probably know, people access websites by using web browsers on their computers. So they use something like Chrome or Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, and they type in a URL or do a Google search and find a link. And they get sent to a web page that's actually hosted on a server. Servers just computers that are connected to the internet. And it's exactly what they do. They serve up web pages so we can view them on our browsers. But what's happened that's really made a big change is mobile devices. So anything from iPhones to iPads to Android tablets, Kindle Fires, all kinds of devices now can access websites and have browsers. So we want to make sure that we can maximize the number of potential visitors and make our websites work for the largest number of browsing devices. And even devices like screen readers that are for people that are disabled and can't view web pages. So a screen reader is software that will actually read the contents of a web page. Someone can hear it on headphones. So a way to ensure that is using these things called web standards, which are technical specifications that were developed by a group called the W3C, the World Wide Web Consortium. And the whole idea is they write specifications that tell us how to write certain web technologies like HTML and CSS to create web pages. So why do we want to use them? Well, it reduces the cost and complexity of making web pages. And it also makes them more accessible. And there's other advantages as well. Faster loading and reduced bandwidth. Improving search engine rankings. Making your HTML and CSS easier to maintain. All of these are the benefits of using web standards and writing HTML and CSS that follow these web standards.